Hi, my name is Nathan and I'm here with another Biggs Mobile Detailing video. Today we're going to be covering how to condition exterior plastics of your vehicle. This is also covered in our blog at www.biggsmobile.com/blog or by checking the link in the description. Now, if you do like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel. It goes a long way in helping us create more of the content that you love. Now, let's jump right into it. Now, conditioning exterior plastics is a pretty straightforward process. It does require diligence and a close attention to detail. So we're going to break it down into two sections, which you can find in timestamps below. So first, we're going to be covering how to apply the exterior conditioning. And then we're going to kind of go over how to buff out that exterior conditioner and make it look nice. Now, let's jump in. Now, when applying exterior conditioner, you're just going to want to dab on about a thumbnail size of the product. We use Revive 2, and that looks like about the right amount of product right there. And you can just start, spreading it around. And you want to make sure to have the exterior plastic cleaned prior to applying it. And that's going to make sure that it doesn't, that it gets under everything and it's not, just masking over dirt. So you just go through and you just get it applied. You want to make sure not to get too much on the exterior paint because that'll just cause more smudging and it'll be harder to get that ceramic or wax on. You'd have to do another step of taking it off. And same thing with near windows too, because windows are very prone to getting smudges and having to go back and fix those. So best to just stay as directly onto your plastics as you can, and don't worry about getting everything perfect, because you're gonna come through and buff it out and get all those streaks out. And with this exterior conditioner, you don't have to let it sit in. You can buff it right, but keep in mind that exteriors where the plastic is very grayed out or faded, you're gonna need a lot of product because that's gonna soak up a lot of it. So be prepared to having to keep applying more and more product to get it all covered. And you can see there are trim pieces up here, but these are very dark already, and so they really don't need it. These are hard plastics, and this is a plastic that can soak up good stuff right here. So you'll get that conditioner in, and it's gonna just make it look beautiful and back to its dark black original color. Getting that undercarriage nice and sleek. This makes the end product look so good. Now onto the bumper section. So you can always expect lots of exterior plastics around the bumper. Look at that. This is already a pretty rich black, but you can see that the Revive still does darken it up. So even on newer cars, you're gonna want to apply this to give it that best looking product that you can give.
It's not even buffed in yet either.
Right. Looking good. That's one thing that always really bothered me, is like when that plastic start graying out and you clean your car and it's still all grayed out and you're like, okay, it's clean, what do I do now?
Yeah, this really gives it that new car kind of look.
Yep.
For a while too.
It's this stuff and a lot of others that'll make you rethink selling your car and buying a new one.
Oh yeah.
Give that a good revamp and it's gonna seem like a brand new car.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, don't worry about getting it perfect because you'll be coming through with a buffing rag.
Exactly. All right.
Now to apply the buffing part.
Make sure you use the buffing part of your microfiber.
Buffing side of the fiber. And right here in front of the bumper where you'll find the windshield wipers is a great spot to revive because you can see that it's very grayed out when it could be looking nice and dark like this.
Those guys don't look come up.
Yeah, on those ones you just gotta work around them. But when you got your buffing rag out, you'll be able to get into those sections deeper in there.
Yeah. Look at that, dude.
Dude, it's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, on this section in particular, I always need to use a bit more product just to spread it to those edges, and then I can buff it into those kind of hidden ways. In some cars, when they're in park, you just can't pop up the windshield wipers. Their hoods are blocking it, so you've got to work around it and do your best.
Grab that microfiber and
Commence
buff it in there.
buffing. Yeah. So to recap, conditioning exterior plastics isn't rocket science, but there is a few things to remember. Number one, do a really good job prepping, get everything cleaned up good. You want this conditioner to just lay on with no sediment or any dirt behind it. You want it to get deep into the plastics. Number two, you might need to use a little extra material on really grayed out or hazy plastics. They're just gonna soak up that stuff really well. And three, smudges and smears happen on paint and windows. Just make sure you get that wiped up and cleaned up when you start buffing. And with that all good, your exterior plastics are gonna be looking newer than ever.
Thanks for watching another Biggs Mobile video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like below and subscribe to our channel. That one click truly goes a long way for us as a small business. And if you ever need your car detailed, just give us a call and we'll be there. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.